Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into something every trader must know, and that is how to set stop loss and take profit on MT4. All right. If you are tired of watching your trades hit unexpected losses or missing out on gains because you didn't secure them properly, then this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to place these levels, why they are crucial, and how to avoid common mistakes traders make. Smash that like button to support the channel, and if you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a trading tip. Okay, now let us jump right into it. Before we get into setting them up, let us quickly break down what stop loss and take profit actually are. Now, stop loss is a risk management tool that automatically closes your trade when the price reaches a certain level, preventing further losses. It's like your safety net in case the market moves against you. I'm just going to open a random trade on my demo account so that I can, show a practical example, right? Okay, the market is closed for this, so let me just use another asset. Okay. All right. So it's just for the sake of example, right? This is a demo account. So the stop loss helps to prevent losses, right? Helps to prevent further losses, while the take profit helps to secure gains if the price goes in your direction. Okay, so the stop loss is a risk management tool. This is the stop loss, right? It helps to prevent further losses, while the take profit is the opposite. It locks in your gains by closing your trade at a predefined price level when the market moves in your favor. So these tools are essential for managing risk, and keeping emotions out of your trading decisions. You don't want to be glued to your screen manually closing trades at the right time. That's where stop loss and take profit do the work for you. Okay, now that you understand the importance of these tools, let us go step by step on how to set them up on MT4. Okay, so just like I did, after you must have done your analysis and executed your trade, all right, you of course you have to choose your trading pair, whatever trading pair that you are comfortable trading with, and you do your analysis and you execute your trade. In the other window, you can either decide to set your stop loss manually by writing. You can decide to set your stop loss manually by writing in the figures within inside this other dialog box, or you can just decide to drag and drop like I did. You can just drag to modify. All right, um okay, I trying to. All right, so you can just drag and modify, or you can go manually to set your to type in your stop loss values, and take profit values. All right, now if you have already placed a trade but forgot to set stop loss or take profit, no worries. You can simply go to the trade tab. All right, you right click on your order, you click on modify, right? If you click on modify, you can see that here you can manually input your stop loss, you can manually input your take profit, and then once you have done that, you click on modify. Okay, this button here. Okay, let me just change this so that the modify button is going to show. All right, just click on modify, and then you see the order is going to be modified accordingly. Okay, but if you want to save save yourself time, you can just drag to wherever level you want, and then you modify. All right, it's as easy as that. Okay, and that is it. You've successfully set your stop loss and your take profit on MT4. Now let us just quickly go over some common mistakes that traders make with stop loss and take profit. One of them is setting stop loss too tight. If your stop loss is too close to your entry price, normal market fluctuations might trigger it. Okay, stopping you out too early. You can see in this particular example, the stop loss, I gave some pips away from this high. You can see that this is the nearest high, right? Which could still, you know, it might not be the highest point yet. It is possible that we might still see price go a bit higher. But basically, had it been that this was the highest point that price is going to get to, you know, in case of issues of stop hunt or, you know, any of liquidity grabs and all of that, it's good to set your stop loss some pips away, right? Not just immediately above it. So, you know, there could be some market fluctuations. So do not set your stop loss very close to your entry price. Okay. Another mistake is ignoring market volatility. Different currency pairs have different levels of volatility. So a stop loss that works for Euro USD might not work the same for GBP JPY. Okay. So ensure that you do your due diligence, you know, wherever in whatever currency pair that you are trading, you know, and ensure that you always give some pips away from your entry price, okay? Away from the highest point if it is a sell, or away from the lowest point if it is a buy. Another mistake is not using a take profit at all. Some traders let their trades run without a take profit, hoping the price will keep moving in their favor. But the market can reverse at any time. So always lock in your gains, all right? Take profit is there for a reason. Do not avoid using it. Okay, managing your risk is just as important as picking the right trade, so don't skip this step. So there you have it, a complete guide to setting up stop loss and take profit on MetaTrader 4. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more forex trading tips, strategies, and MT4 tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a topic you'd like me to cover next. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.